Today we're going to take a look at the Alloyworks 4-row aluminum radiator, shroud, and electric fans for early AMCs. It's made of AA5052 aluminum for 30 to 40% better heat dissipation and maximum cooling efficiency. It's carefully packaged, ships out fast, easy to install, and looks great with other aluminum parts. The kit comes with the radiator, the shroud, two 10-inch fans, and the mounting kit. Before we install it, it's always a good idea to compare the new one with the old to make sure everything's the same and it's going to fit. Instead of the electric fans, we'll be going with the OEM fan and shroud. Installation's pretty straightforward, just 2 bolts on each side. After installing, this is what it looks like, and I think it's going to look really good with the rest of the aluminum parts. The electric fans came off very easily with just 4 bolts, and we'll save them for the future if we need them. For a company that's passionate about performance tuning parts and repeat business is important, try out Alloyworks. I hope you enjoyed this video on the 4-row aluminum radiator, shroud, and electric fans from Alloyworks. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.